What's going on, guys? There's so many brand new Hot Wheels cars to talk about. There's new Mario Kart characters, a new Dragstrip Demons car culture series, a Ford truck set, and so much more, so let's get into it.
Let's go!
Now, the Mario Kart characters were just revealed at Comic-Con and will be arriving in stores during summer of 2019 and should cost about $5 each. Showing here are Mario, Bowser, Princess Peach, Luigi, Toad, Yoshi, Wario, and Rosalina, which makes up 8 characters in the set. The latest Hot Wheels car culture assortment was shared by the Hot Wheels Dream Team, and it's a new batch of Dragstrip Demons. There's going to be a green Try-Me 55 Chevy Gasser, a red Too Much Too Soon Chevy 2, a yellow Eastbound and Crown Dodge Dart, a blue Larry Wood Supernova, and a 65 Mercury Comet American Cyclone. There's also a new Ford truck series to look for at Walmart stores, and it features 8 different trucks for your collection. The first Ford truck is a golden 65 Ford Ranchero, followed up by a black 79 Ford truck. Number 3 is an orange 41 Ford pickup. There's a bright green Ford Bronco 4x4, and number 5 is a red custom Ford Bronco. The next truck in the set is a white color of the Sandblaster. One of my favorites is the dark green 1929 Ford pickup, and truck number 8 in the set is a blue Ford F-150. Those are all 8 Ford trucks in the new Ford truck series, so make sure you guys keep your eyes out for those. Onto some Japanese Hot Wheels cars for 2019. Now we have the basic version of the Supercharger Hunt Nissan Skyline GTR R34. Another cool car for 2019 is this white 90 Honda Civic EF, which will be the Supercharger Hunt car of the 2019 A-Case. Of course, there are more Skylines hitting the main line next year, starting with the white color of the 82 Nissan Skyline R30. There's an entire Nissan sub-series in the 2019 main line that also includes the redesigned casting of the Nissan Skyline GTR R32, which will debut in blue. Well, let's say you like the R30, R32, and R34, but are truly an R33 fan, well, this red one is for you because it's a hot new color of the Nissan Skyline GTR R33. And if you prefer Acura to Nissan, here is a new recolor of the Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR, so there are plenty of new Japanese Hot Wheels. Here's another exciting new model. It's an RWB Teen Porsche, making it a German car turned Japanese, and this prototype looks super aggressive. Onto some Volkswagen Hot Wheels. There's a new red Momo Racing edition of the Volkswagen Golf GTI on the way, followed up by what looks like a new gray color of the Art Cars Cool Combi with the mismatched wheels and signature peace sign. There's a prototype of a new Batmobile to add to your Batcave, which may appear in the 2019 main line, and once again it has the aggressive lines that you can expect the superhero to drive. I really love the creativity that Hot Wheels puts into designing some wild rides, and this vehicle is no exception because it is a Hot Wheels wheelchair nicknamed the Wheelie Chair. Now for some exclusive Hot Wheels models. This first one is a special Volkswagen Beetle for the Hot Wheels convention in Mexico. For Comic-Con, there's a very cool Thanos copter from Marvel's Avengers packed inside its very own Cosmic Cube. They also made a special Star Wars battle rollers for Comic-Con based on Porg and the Millennium Falcon. Hot Wheels knows how much we love our superheroes, so there's a new Marvel Studios set titled The First 10 Years. It's a very nice set of 5 Avenger-themed vehicles, and here we have a good look at Iron Man on the Volkswagen Deluxe station wagon. However, there is another set of Marvel cars hitting stores very soon, and that is the Hot Wheels Entertainment set with 5 other Marvel-themed models. And last but not least, did you guys know there's a new series of Hot Wheels monster trucks coming to Walmart stores, and they are based on all different Hot Wheels rather than Monster Jam? Well, this all-new set of monster trucks includes Dairy Delivery, Tiger Shark, Bone Shaker, Test Subject, Skeleton Crew, Stars and Stripes, and Hot Wheels Racing #1. There we have a bunch of Hot Wheels cars and series to look forward to finding in stores soon. If you guys want to stay up to date with the latest Hot Wheels news, HotDiecast Garage is the best place to be, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to comment which cars you're on the lookout for, and I'll see you soon with more new Hot Wheels.